So, how do the legs go onto the bottom of the seat assembly? This bracket is how. So the legs are raked out at a 15-degree angle, and that's done at the drill press with an 1.25-inch bit. And we'll turn the legs in a bit. But anyways, I need this heavy-duty block, which is 1.75 inches thick, 4 inches wide, and 12 3/4 long. It has to be dry, not green wood here. So to do that, I'm just going to cut these work pieces out on the bandsaw with a 1/2-inch blade, and then drill the holes at a 15-degree angle with the drill press table tilted, and lock the workpiece down with a clamp. Drill those complementary raked holes, and then it's over to the wood lathe to turn the legs. So let's get this done. 1/2-inch 4-tooth blade, properly tensioned. I'm just going to freehand it. Following the white line. I'm going to take the line. And people say, how do you do that? It's a good blade, silicon steel, and the steel makes all the difference. The way it's sharpened helps.